So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review slash on footwear for the Fila Disruptor II. So I got these because I'm a swagger jacker and I swagger jack my brother Brandon. So they are completely white with navy blue Fila detailing with the red stripe. That's the typical. So these have your typical Fila design with the tan gum sole. These are a size 7 in boys. Ooh, caught that. And they're really dope. I really like them. They're very light as well. They come with an extra pair of shoelaces just in case, you know, I don't know, you want extra shoelaces, why not? They're really dope. They have a lot of grip. This reminds me of like a shark detailing, and it has like holes and stuff, I guess, to like breathe your foot. Okay. It comes with stuffing inside the shoe as well, and they're really dope. I'm gonna show you what they look like on foot in just a second. You guys like my hoodie? It's my brother Brandon's brand. Hashtag shop social experiment. It's really dope, you know. This is awkward. This is great, you know. Shop social experiment. Back to the shoes.